the real. Hello and welcome to the new video. Okay, in today's video, as you can see by the title, we are going to change thermal pads and thermal paste on this XFX RX580 8GB graphics card. Let's open this graphics card. Alright, so for disassembling this card you need few tools. First one is a screwdriver with a cross head. You need toothbrush. You need thermal paste. I love to use MX4. You need this stuff. And I used scalpel for cutting thermal pads. Isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. You need a little bit of wool. And you need this brush for fine cleaning of the dust. Alright, so what do you want? You want to unscrew these 6 screws. And now you need to be very careful. It is currently sitting, it won't fall down because thermal paste is dry. So you want a little bit of wiggle on this. And go easily with the ripping. Just easily, don't break something. As you saw. And now also you have a fan connector in here, so don't rip it out. Just plug the connector out. And you have a free graphics card. Now we want to unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. Alright, and you have free your PCB board. Okay, let's leave this in here. Okay, now let's clean this GPU. So what do we need? Wool or cotton. A little bit of isopropyl. And I always forgot how do you call these ones, but right. Now I'm going to use a toothbrush to clean this nicely. Don't rip off any of the capacitors on the GPU, these little stuffs. So just be careful. Don't push, don't press, just go easily with a toothbrush and you will have very clean GPU. As you can see, let's use this for a bit to remove the rest of the thermal paste. And I want to hear this sound when you clean it. Alright. It is very clean now. Okay, so since thermal pads are fully saved, we still are going to replace them in the sake of this video. So let's first remove it from the motherboard of this GPU. Of course you can do this with your hands, which is very much easier. And now let's brush it out of the dust. Okay, and as you can see, our PCB board is fully cleaned. Let's get out to the heatsink and fans. Okay, so one update. What I didn't know is that I switched to the 4K recording on this cell phone, mobile phone, and I didn't realize that it records just 10 minutes. So I finished the whole process for cleaning graphics card and then I realized that it wasn't recording. So we stopped at this heatsink. Let's just remove these 4 screws so you know how to remove heatsink from this top part that holds fans. So you have 4 screws, and when you remove them, you are able to lift up this heat sink. So I have cleaned this heat sink, and also I have cleaned this plastic part that holds the fans. So we are good in that terms. What you can do, you can find the brush like this, $0.2. So you can use it to brush the dust from this plastic part. After that, you want to return your heatsink. So we have again 4 screws. Alright, and the heatsink is secured. Now, I have used thermal pads like 1 millimeter thick, and they have like 6.3 thermal conductivity. Take the PCB and put it in this metal part, also cleaned. So just put it like this, and now take the screws and screw them in. Alright, now let's apply thermal paste. What I like to use is Arctic MX4. You have also MX5. But since I have MX4 in my supplies, we are going to use MX4. If you want, you can buy MX5. So let's apply perfect amount of thermal paste. So just spread it like this, and it should be fine. Don't put too much of thermal paste. Too much doesn't mean it will better spread the heat. What you want to do, first you want to connect your fans. Don't forget to do that. Alright, we have our fan connected. Now place it like this and take your PCB, align holes on the PCB with your heatsink. Now, what you want to do, you want to take the screws. Alright, and we are good. Now, what you want to do, you want to take a little bit of isopropyl, clean the back plate, clean the front side, and you are good. Alright, let's place our graphics card inside of this case. So just put it like this, close it down, power supply, and now the HDMI cable. Of course, don't forget to put the screw to hold graphics card. I'm not going to do it since I need to take it out. Alright, so this is it for today's video. We successfully managed to change thermal paste and thermal pads on this XFX RX580 graphics card. I hope you did it too. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe if you want to. Of course, if you want to donate, there is a donor box link down there in the description, as also paypal.me. Donate for a beer, so we can manage to buy some nice camera to have a better quality of these videos. Again, thank you very much for watching, and until the next time, peace.